Welcome dear students. Last video you have seen that how to write the board answer paper. You have seen how the paper was written. Now in this video I am going to show you how the marks are given. Now both this answer sheet as well as question papers are there on the same screen. Now here this is the 2020 last year's March 2020 question paper is there. Okay, and here the answer sheet is there. All right, now here let us see the question number 1, and if you see that here it is 40 out of 40, correct. Now it is written as a model, so 40 out of 40. Now let us see the question number 1. See here, question number 1, 4 alternatives answer given. For every sub question, select correct alternative and write the alphabets of that answer. See here, they said alphabet means you have to only write A, B, C, D. Okay, so see here the question number 1, A. The first answer is B. Okay, that is 3, 4, 5 is the Pythagorean triplet. So answer is B. Now if you go to here for second, answer is C, and for third the answer is D, and the fourth one the answer is A, that is 21 centimeter cube. Okay, so for each question you will get 1 marks, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 it is 4. So here question number 1 you got first part 4 marks. Okay, now here question number 1B, all the 4 questions are compulsorily to be solved, so all 4 questions has to be solved. Now see here question number 1B, first one. Now for writing, I am not explaining what is written and what is the question. I'm just giving you how the marking schemes are. Now here for writing this formula, okay, with the reason you get half mark. Formula with the reason you got half mark, and rest of the calculation and the final answer you will get half mark. Half plus half 1 mark. Okay, so that is first part here. Now second, okay, second, find the diagonal of the square whose side is 10 centimeters. See here. Now diagonal of the square, writing the formula again half mark, and final calculation half mark, total is 1 mark. Okay, so third question, quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic, angle B is 110 degree, measure the angle D. So see here, so cyclic, you know the property of the cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of the angles is 180, that is supplementary. So this, for writing this you get half mark, and for final calculation half mark, 1 mark. Okay, now fourth one, find the slope of the line passing through the point A 2 3 and B 4 7. So see here, now these are all given things, but for writing formula slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 you get half mark, and all calculation and the final answer half mark, total is 1 mark. So like this you will get 4 marks, 4 out of 4. Okay, so question number 1 over. So here if you see on the top, you will see here 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, so now let's go to the question number 2. See here question number 2, any two you have to solve, and the diagram is given, that is the activity based question. So for each box you will get half mark. See here, so first box half mark, second box half mark, third box half mark, and fourth half, total is 2. So this is the question and this is the answer. Okay, so here you don't have to show your own calculation, just write, fill up the box, that's all. You don't have to write anything else. Okay, now go to the second activity. See here, now second activity. Now here for writing 1 2 3 4 boxes, so here 2 1 and then 5 76 and 24, each box half mark, you will get 2 marks. All right. Okay, now third question, here again 4 boxes are there. Now out of these 3 activity you have to do only 2 activities, so here again half mark for each box, so half plus half for these 2, half plus half for these 2, so total is 2 marks, and this is extra, so it is triangled, total is 4 marks. So question number 2A 4 marks. Now let's go to the question number 2B. Now question number 2B, as I told you have to draw the diagram. See, I have drawn the diagram here beside. Okay, now for writing the ratio you will get half mark, for writing and substituting the values half mark, calculation part half mark, and final answer half mark. Like this you will get 2 marks. Okay, what is the question that I am not explaining? Again I am just giving you the marking scheme. Now question number 2, see here question number 2, again diagram is drawn. You have to write the all the values here. Now writing the geometric mean formula, you will get half mark, substitution half mark, calculation half mark, taking square root half mark, and you will get 2 marks. Same way, question number 3 here. Now diagram you have to draw. Whenever diagram is given into the question paper, you have to draw the diagrams. Is it right? Now for writing the Pythagoras theorem, you got half mark. For writing the substituting the values, half mark. Final calculation, half mark, and final answer, half mark, and you will get 2 marks. That is question number 3. Okay. Then question number 4. Now here question number 4, I had done it wrong, so it is 0 0 here, but I have solved it into the next page. See here question number 4. For writing the midpoint formula, you will get half mark, and calculation half mark. Same way, once you are written midpoint formula, you will not get again half mark for this. Half mark for 1. Okay, so first you will get half mark for formula, half mark for calculation, half mark for your value, and final coordinates half mark. So many times I told that you have to write the final answer, because final answer carries mark. So here final answer carries half mark, that is equal to 2. Okay, so like this you got question number 2b completed. Okay, no sorry, one more example is there, that is fifth one. So here fifth one, again diagram is compulsory in this question. Without this diagram, this question will not be checked, because this is the trigonometric question and application based question. So this diagram is compulsory. With the diagram only you will get the marks, otherwise you will get 0, although you have solved everything. Okay, so half mark for writing tan value, then substitution and 1, and then calculation half mark. Like that you will get 2 marks. Total is 8 marks. Okay, so you got 8 plus 4, 12 marks on the top here. See here question number 2. See here 4 plus 8, it is equal to 12. Okay, question number 3 here. Now you have to prove. So again third question is activity based question. So out of 2, 1 activity you have to solve. So each box carries half marks. 6 boxes are there. If you see here on the question paper, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So each box you have to fill up half of mark for each box. See half mark for first fill. Here first, second, third, and this reason, this is a reason, is a fill in the blank, is half mark. So it is half plus half plus half. Okay, if you are not written this part, you will lose this half mark. Okay, now for these 2 boxes again half plus half, half plus half. Total is says here 1 2 3 4 5 6 means 3. Okay, so 1 activity completed. Go to the second activity. Again 6 boxes are there. See here 1 2 3 4 5 6. See here, say 1 2 3 4. Each box carries half mark. Here half mark, here half mark, and total is 3 marks. Extra questions, so no need to miss, it is not taken in consideration. Now question number 3b. Here question number 3b, you have to solve any 2 out of 4. Lot of options are given to you. Okay, in this mostly one construction is always there. See here third question is the construction that I will show you. Now here any 2 questions, 6 marks. Now say first here you will get the Apollonius theorem. So half mark for writing Apollonius. If you know Apollonius, please write. If the calculations are wrong, still you will get half marks. Okay, substitution half mark. Calculate everything, and then here final answer qs square is equal to 36, half marks. Taking square root, half mark. Then you know that key midpoint is there, means qr is equal to 2 times qs. Writing this with the reason carries half mark, and final answer half mark. So like that you will get the 3 marks. Okay, now you are having the proof, that is the theorem. Prove that tangents drawn from the external point to the circle are congruent. Now diagram is utmost compulsory. Without diagram, whatever you have written doesn't have any value, it is 0. Okay, so first draw the diagram, and along with the diagram whatever labelings you had done, same labelings you are going to use into the your proof. Okay, so diagram given, you will get half mark. To prove, you will get half mark. To have the construction, half mark. And then proof, first proof here half mark, and like that, and then you will get 3 marks. So like this you will get the 3 marks. So but for theorems, keep it in always in your mind that you have to draw the diagram. Without diagram your theorems will not be checked. Okay, Now come to the construction. Now here if you see the construction, now here no rough diagram is needed, but your drawn rough diagram will do, doesn't have any problem. Okay, now where you will get half mark. So to draw a circle means this 4.1 centimeter, to draw a circle you will get half mark, first half mark. Okay, second half mark is to draw this segment, that is QA 7.3, that is half mark. Then to draw this angle bisector you will get half mark. So 1 2 3 over, one for circle, one for this segment, and one for perpendicular bisector, that is half mark. Then you have to draw the arcs and naming them P and Q. Here these are P and Q. You have to draw this circle. If you are drawing the circle is well and good, or if you are drawn only this much part will do. Okay, and label it P and Q, that is half mark. And lastly drawing AP and AQ, half mark for AP, half mark for AQ, you will get 3 out of 3. Like this the construction marks are distributed. I'll repeat. For circle, drawing circle with 4.1 centimeter, half mark. Drawing segment QA, half mark. Drawing perpendicular bisector, half mark. Drawing a circle or an arc over here and labeling as P and Q, you will get half mark. Drawing AP and AQ, half plus half, that is totally 3 marks. Okay, so this is the construction. Now third one is from the mensuration. Fourth one is from the mensuration. Okay, now for writing the formula you will get half mark. For calculation, substitution and calculation, final calculation, half mark. Okay, then come here writing again the formula for volume of coin, half mark. Again I am repeating, I am not solving the paper, I am just giving you the marking scheme. Then final calculation, half mark. Then again the writing this formula, that is number of coins is equal to volume of cuboid upon volume of coin, you will get half mark. Final calculation, half mark. Like that you will get 3 marks. So this fourth question. Okay, so see that you should not miss out any of the steps, because steps carries marks. If you have missed out any of the steps, sometimes you know the calculation, so you are writing directly the answer. In that case, although you are writing directly the answer, you will get marks for your answer, but in between steps you will lose the marks and your 40 out of 40 dream may destroy. Now let's come back to question number 4. See here, question number 4, any two questions you have to solve. Now question number 3, it is 6 marks here, and then I'll show you that how the marking scheme is there. 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 marks. Okay, 3 marks for activity and 6 marks for the two questions, so 9 marks. Okay, now let's come back to the question number 4. Now question number 4 is single question. Here you are going to solve first question. Now this is the first question. Although here diagram is not there, you have to draw the diagram. See here the diagram is drawn. Okay, so draw the diagram, and then based on the diagram you are going to write everything. So writing first step you will get half marks here. For writing the similarity along with the reason, this reason is important, that is AA test, you will get half mark. Now then the ratio, you know that the ratio of similar triangle is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. This is very important. If you have written this along with the reason, you will get half mark. Then come down here, this is the condition given to you, you have to write the condition. Writing condition is half mark, and substitution half mark, and final calculation here half mark, and then see here and final answer half mark. So like that you will get 4 marks. So this is very important, that you must follow all the steps. If the steps are missing, your marks will be lost. Now let's go to the question number 2. Draw the circle. Again the construction is there. Okay, now construction. Now how you will get this 4 marks? So here drawing a circle with radius 2.7 centimeters. See, this is the radius, and drawing this circle you will get 1 mark. All right. Second, drawing the chord PQ of length 4.5 centimeters. See here, 4.5 centimeter chord is drawn. You have to show this. Don't draw with the help of scale. You have to draw this chord with the help of compass, and this arc must be seen here. So this is 1 mark. If it is not drawn with the arc and all, then maybe the marks will be deducted. Then drawing the tangent at a point P without using center. So you know that how to draw without using center, draw this arc, complete one triangle, then draw the arc and so on. So drawing one first tangent, you will get 1 mark, and second tangent 1 mark. Like this, you will get 4 marks for this diagram. Okay, so this is question number 4, second. Now third one, that is the diagram is there. This diagram, draw the diagram, please. Again, I am repeating, please draw the diagram wherever necessary. And this is the fourth question. So half mark for writing the all the angles are 90 degree, half mark. Then calculating the radius, half mark. Calculating the area of the square, half mark. And then you will get area of sector, the formula of area of sector, half mark. Calculation, half mark. Then total area of the sector with the 4 multiplied with the 4, half mark. Then area of the shaded portion. For writing formula is half mark, and final calculation half mark. Like that, you will get the 4 marks for the question number 4 of that third. Alright, so 4 plus 4, 8 marks. So see here, the 8 marks are shown on the top here, 8 marks. Now let's go to the last question, question number 5. That too only 1 year to solve with the and carries 3 marks. Now let us see how the marking scheme is. Now circles with 3 centers. See here, I have drawn this diagram. This diagram is necessary. You have to draw the diagram. Although little bit here and there will do, but you have to draw the diagram. Along with this diagram only you can able to write all the steps. So here calculation of the first part is BC is equal to 3. Then here adding equation 1, 2, 3 conditions are given. You have to calculate all 3 and then add them. This condition is important, so half mark. Then calculation of first equation, half mark. Then getting the value of x, half mark, y, half mark, and z, half mark. Like that you will get 3 marks. Write the final answer like this. Okay. Now lastly, prove that. Now trigonometry is there. Condition is written. Conversion, that is sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. That is from the given, is half mark. Okay. Now so you know that 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, half mark. Along with the reason you have to write. Okay. Then LHS, writing LHS and then solving it, you will get half mark. And here lastly LHS equal to RHS, half mark, and final proof, half mark, you will get 3 marks. And this is extra question, so not being taken into consideration. So like this, question number 5 you will get 3 marks. See here, question number 5, 3 marks. Okay, so in this way the marking scheme is there from the board, and normally it is being followed. Marking scheme for the steps may vary, okay, according to the question and according to the requirement. So but what is needed is you have to write all the steps into the question paper. So like this board question paper is solved. I have shown you how to write, as well as I have given you the analysis that how the paper is being analyzed and it is being, how the papers are checked, how the paper is checked and marks are given. Okay, so I hope this is very much helpful for you to write the board paper, so that you must get 40 out of 40, and this 40 out of 40 is our target, and I know that you people will achieve it. Okay, so work hard, try to follow all the steps and achieve your goal. Thank you all of you.